Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Sakram. So, today we are going to see another question, which is very important question. So, let's start question. So, let x and y be two independent random variables such that under root 3 to the power k x times plus 2 to the power k times y is equal to under root 5 to the power k into z if variance of x, y, and z is equal to 1, then find the value of k. Let's see its solution. X and y are independent, so this implies alpha x and beta y are also independent, or alpha and beta belongs to R. Take alpha is equal to under root 3 to the power c and beta 2 to the power p. So this implies under root 3 to the power p x and 2 to the power k y are independent. So if we have independent random variable, so their variance will be equal to 2 to the power k x plus 2 to the power k y is equal to 3 to the power k square variance of x plus 2 to the power k variance of y. Using the formula, if x and y independent, okay, variance of alpha x plus beta y, if x and y are independent, then x plus y is equal to variance of x plus variance of y, and variance of alpha times x is always alpha square variance of x. So using these two formulas, okay. Now 3 to the power k under root x plus 2 to the power k y is equal to under root 5 to the power k z. So taking variance both the side, what will get? Variance of, so what is this? This is variance of x. So what is this? This is 2 to the power k. Variance of x is 1. Okay, this will be 4 to the power k Variance of y is equal to 1. This will 5 to the power k. Variance of z is 1. So 3 to the power k plus 4 to the power k. So what is the solution of this? K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 is the solution. So answer. Okay, so this is very good question. If you like it, you subscribe my channel and share with other people. Thank you very much for today's question.